In October, quite a lot of things got hacked. Hi, I am Joe, an artificially generated news presenter, and in today's video, we will investigate these devastating cases. For one, Ferrari got hit by a ransomware attack, with hackers leaking 7 gigabytes worth of sensitive data. Data from Ferrari's website was posted on a dark web leak site owned by ransomware group RANSOMWARE. Hackers claim they have obtained internal documents, datasheets, repair manuals, and other information. Second case, OneFist, a pro-Ukrainian hacker group, has confirmed that they've hacked a Russian low Earth orbit satellite communications network, Gonets, used by Russian military groups and manufacturers. Once they gained access to databases of the network, hackers deleted the entire database of their users, forcing the network to go down for 5 days. Another Russia-related attack happened in Bulgaria, as government installations have been hit by DDoS attacks for multiple days. It hit Bulgaria's ministries of justice, internal affairs, and defense. While no significant damage was dealt, this attack hampered access to content for a long time. The Bulgarian government insists that the cyber attack has been dealt with and that the country's cyber defense teams are on high alert in case of further attempts to compromise digital security. Our next case concerns an issue with DJI manufactured drones. Over 80,000 drone ID were exposed in a data leak. 54 gigabytes of exposed data contained the drone's position, model, and serial number, as well as takeoff locations, considering that these drones are pretty expensive. Leaked data can be indispensable for criminal elements. Leaks came from the American-based service AWS and were caused by a wrongly configured server. But probably the most devastating leak concerns Thomson Reuters, a multinational media conglomerate. Misconfiguration on the AWS Elastic Load Balancing service has caused a leak of 3 terabytes of sensitive data, including customer and corporate details, and third-party server passwords. Thomson Reuters is a company providing customers with a variety of services, including tax automation, research services, and online research and editorial. Not only is that information potentially valuable for cyber criminals, but the passwords leaked from the database can be used to perform a supply chain attack on the enterprises directly associated with Reuters. October was full of nasty data leaks, so remember to make sure you are not affected. Get your data and connection protected and subscribe to this channel to get notified of all cybersecurity news.